Mistake number 2 in filing your claim for your disability insurance benefits. Mistake number 2, in my view, is not knowing what's in your doctor's records before you file your claim. Now, disability insurance companies or plans are only going to pay benefits if they're convinced that your medical records contain sufficient objective proof that you're disabled, as that term is defined in your policy or plan. Now, as soon as you file that claim, the carrier is going to request records from your doctors or any doctors that are mentioned in your doctor's records. They're going to carefully review those records. Now that you know that, it's really important that before you stop work and apply for benefits, that you get a copy of your medical records. You want to review them cover to cover, and particularly for the period of time prior to you claiming that this is the date of your being disabled, what's happening around the time that you claim that you're disabled, and then what's happening afterwards. So I'm actually looking at a 6-month period of time to understand what's happening medically. You need to understand, are those records accurate? Are those records complete? Has the doctor evaluated all of the complaints that could be the basis of your disability claim? Is there an objective basis for your doctor's diagnosis? And what is their opinion about whether you are disabled or not disabled? And when you're talking to the doctor about documenting or establishing a date of disability, you want to make sure that the doctor has a really good reason that is explained in your medical records, be it based on your complaints, your physical exam findings, or your diagnostic studies. You just can't pick a date out of the air and expect that the disability carrier plan is going to accept that date. Now, if I find that there is a mistake, or you find that there is a mistake in the records, you need to get it corrected before you stop work and apply for your benefits. Because once you have sent in that date to the disability carrier, it's going to be hard for you to change it after the fact, particularly since you've already stopped working. Got it? Now, in my next video about mistakes, I'm going to talk about why assuming that just because your employer says you're disabled or supports your claim, that the disability carrier or plan is going to agree. If you have any questions in the meantime, call us today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve.